All right, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So we were able to take some profit out of the market. So initially we got into this trade um, because of this 5 minute imbalance, and we in the closure of this candle. If you take a look at the 5 minute candle, I'm gonna erase that because that was prior. Okay, if you take a look at this, what happened was we got a small tap into this imbalance and we were able to short the market. Now, one thing I will say that I should have done was just keep my stop to break even and just say, well, hey, if you lose, if it not necessarily lose, but if you break even on a day, you break even on a day, just don't make anything. Now, this would have been $1,000 in profit. It had I not moved my stop too far down, um, to try to, take some out of the market. So if I could have changed anything about this trade, okay, hey, just follow your trade management rules. Okay, you said that you wanted to move your stop to break even once you got 500 in profit. You saw that, you did that, keep it there, right? Don't do anything else, right? If it goes out and stops you out because it wants to go take out the highs, great. It's whatever. It is what it is. You did what you're supposed to do in your trade management plan. So shame on me for not following my trade management plan. Great trade execution, however, great patience to be able to take this particular trade. Now let's get the trade management together. Okay, so now if you take a look here, we will be this wouldn't be considered a last down candle. This would have been because of this expansion up. So you see how it's like rejecting off of this particular candle, right? Now, for me to get in a trade, as it's making a low, I want to see an explosive price action and I want a break above a previous high or bearish candle, right? Like a bullish engulfing candle. So as we see, based off where we are, I do see them coming down to this low, maybe sweeping these lows, and then maybe continuing up to maybe some other higher, other higher time frame point of interest and concepts. We have the opening price of yesterday, so that'll be interesting. If they do come and grab this liquidity here, will they go back up and knock out these highs? They've already taken out the liquidity for Asia from the buy side, so they could be coming down here for the sell side. Let me just go ahead and mark that down here. Oops, that's wrong. So again, this is going to be a shorter stream because I have a meeting at 10 with the president of our school and the principal. So I am going to stop this stream at about 9:55 because I got to get down there at 10. What was I was about to do? Oh, Asian liquidity. Okay. Now you see this here? This is what you would want. All right. So if we can get this 5 minute candle closure. No, I don't want to add an alert. So I'm going to take this off the screen because we're not in this trade. But that was the original trade that we took. Now we're coming up to 9:15. I'm at 9:45. I'm sorry, the last 15 minutes of this. So let's see if we could possibly get a engulfing, which we look like we do, a retracement down as prices pushing down. We'll buy and we'll go for those highs there with our stops at this low. But it has to make sense. The risk has to make sense. But it looks like we're going to get that. But again, this could be just a retracement back up to our opening price just to fall lower. So if they give us another, you know what? Now I'm thinking about if they give us another chance here, I may, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to short it because I don't like this wick rejection here. I know this will be internal liquidity to come back for if they do go up and grab these shorts before coming back down to grab these buys. So the people that are trying to push price up now, buying off of this last down candle here, I think they're trapping buyers. I really do. Let's just see what we get here. Because they did this the other day. This candle closure on the 15 closed like almost close to bullish with a huge rejection. They pushed price above the open and then brung it way back down. So I'm still bearish here. I'm still bearish here from a higher time frame. Okay. So I'm going to short. If we go above the open, I'm going to short. I'm shorting 5 contracts. You're only risking. All right. I'm shorting here with very tight stop. So if we do lose on this one, we just lose what we we'll lose what we made today. And I'll call it a day. Okay, 5-minute candle closure under the open, which is solid. Let's see if we can hold. Where's my stuff? I'm gonna get rid of this. And this will be my last trade of the day, whether win or lose. So I would have wanted a better entry. But if they go for those highs, then we just accept that. That's what they're going for. I wanted to short this based off of where we are. Looks like they're going to hit my stop. Let's see. Let me hit it. Yeah, they're going for those highs. All right, so I got stopped out. Okay, so I am basically break even. I think I took a little loss. I think I'm down $15 on the day. So we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. Let's see. Um, but you know what? Price was below the open. And yeah, we're just gonna wait. I don't know. See, that's the thing. I want to short this because of how it's rejecting. All right, here we go. How do you do the thing? I didn't set a stop on this. Shoot. Okay. This would be a buy stop. And we'll say it's 20 points. Well, 20 points for my 497. 497, 497, 497. 497 plus 20. I think it's 517. Look, 515. So we got a buy stop set. All right, so we're going to be aiming for these London lows here. So we want a sell limit or a buy limit at, we're going to say 17,388. Okay. All right. So, okay. I don't know. I really like the shorts on this, especially how they came back up above the opening price. I probably could have gotten what I wanted was a better entry. We did, so our entry point, as you can see, is above the open. However, the problem is we didn't give it a chance to maybe push up a little bit. I don't really understand it, why it pushes up the way it did, but that was my thing as far as, or my bias of why I got into this particular trade. So if we lose today, we'll be just down 0.5% on the account. We're good. We're good on that. If you take a look here on my 100K account, we were able to get, if it loads for me, it probably won't. Okay, I thought so. We won $1,000 today. So what we want is lower price action. Aiming for these lows here of London, and then maybe they may push back up and you know take out those highs. But yeah, let's see what we get here. See if we can get a push, a nice little push. I like that right there. And see if we can break lower than these lows right here, which would have been your internal liquidity based on the what do you call it? The range. All right, we're at a 1 to 2 right now. So what I'm going to do, it's not showing on my, hold on, let me do this. I wish the buy stop was showing on here, but it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this a little bit in profit. We're gonna bring this back to the open. So if price comes to the open, we get stopped out for a small earning. So yeah, so we're just gonna aim for these lows here. All right, I got about 10 minutes to go to my meeting. I'm gonna actually let this stream run, and then once hopefully I can get back into matter of fact, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it running because I may be able to do maybe like a voiceover on the rest of it. So I'm gonna add an alert here, and then we'll add an alert right here. So if price comes back up here, we know that we got stopped out for we'll do this. Get a little something, you know what I'm saying? All right, so this is what we aiming for here. My alert is set, my stop is set. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we get. So I'm gonna pause this. Well, not pause it, but I'm gonna mute myself because I got to run to this meeting. I got about 9 minutes to make there, and I'll be back. And I'll keep this running. So whatever happens, happens. Guys, safe trading. I'll be back. Peace. All right, I'm back. It was a fast meeting, to say the least. Oh, it looks like we dropped down to 425 area. Um, it's like they came back down to this area, and dang, bro, it's like why y'all playing games right now? It's like if you want to go low, go low, and if you want to go high, go high. So we'll see. If you take a look at the 15-minute price action, we get three bearish candles. We get this candle to close bullish, and then we get two 15 with a rejection, bearish candle with a rejection, nice rejection, and then we get a rejection higher, right? And then we also get this rejection lower. So what we want to see is continued price action downward to the London lows here. I think we'll get it. That is my fervent hope, but it just depends. That was nice. 425. Then that's about 50 points, 70 points. Oh, 70 points. It's 424, 70 minus 497. Yeah, that was about 70 points here. So let's see if we get our 100 today. That'll be great. Put our account to look nice. So we're up about 365 on the day. So we'll see. So I'm not going to move my stop anymore until I get something like substantial to move it down anymore. So definitely aiming for these London lows here. So we'll see. That's crazy because the first part of the video, as you can see, there was no sound. And I was talking in my mic and everything. When I was annotating on the chart, I had a class in here and they were, they be talking and be loud. So I was just typing as I was like grading papers and stuff and grading quizzes. Um, so I got to figure out how I'm going to edit that. Or if I may not edit it, I might just put it in the description, hey, I was in class. There's a portion where there's going to be silence and just, price action, on the screen. But we had a solid stream yesterday during London. We caught about 1,200. Well, it was 1,200. So we caught 1,200 during the London session. Oh, then I have to bring this to here. Let's see if we can go lower. Break through these lows here. We're getting this nice volume here in this 15-minute candle and 5-minute candle. So let's see if we can get a 15-minute. What we want to see is another 15 and 5-minute bearish closure as the 15 is closing. So if we can break below these lows, I think we definitely can get to these London lows here. So looking really good. Solid trade. Got a little scary on this wick up though. I was like, oh my gosh, you guys are not coming for that. You need to go down. So aiming for on the 5. All right, so we do get another 5-minute bearish closure here. So in this candle, we want another closure, and that would two more 5-minute bearish closures will technically be the closing of these candles. So we'll take a really good look at the 10:05 candle, the 10:10 candle, and then we'll see where we're at by 10:15. So don't like how this 5 minute is pushing up, but it could be just another push and a failure. As you get, I feel like buyers are trapped in this candle. And then once we pushed up, so that's who's trapped right now, are these buyers right here. So in this candle here, I think this was the manipulation candle. Now you can take your middle finger and just put it like right here. So, but I could be wrong. So we just want price to continue to keep failing. All right, break below this low, and then eventually grabbing this one. Look pretty solid though. See if they'll do it by 10:15. Like how this 5 minute is failing with the rejection. We needed to close. We would like for it to close or anticipate it to close below this last bearish print or 5 minute bearish print. We will want it to close below the body and more favorably below the wick. So we got about a minute and 45 seconds here left in this 5 minute candle, and then we'll be on for the last 5 minute candle of this 15 minute printing. Let me just exit out of this. I don't need nobody to see no grades. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right when I said I didn't want to, well, it was quick. It should be all right. Edit that out though. All right. All right. So we're looking pretty good here. We just need, again, we just need this last 5 minute candle to close bearish, and I think we'll be on our way. It looks like it's getting enough volume. So we'll love to see a close below this low. That'll be amazing. So let me do my math. Because if we close below that low, then I would just set my stop, bring my stop a little bit more in profit. True is 17, 17, 4, 9, 7, 2, 5. Come on, son. What the hell, bruh? Um, just consolidating this one. Well, not this. So we do get a 5 minute candle closure. We subtract this by 50, which will give us 447. So 17,447. What would that be? What would it be here? Okay, so what we're gonna move it down a little bit in profit. I'm just gonna trail our trade here. Don't want to go too far down. Okay, so that'll give us about 30 points or 10 a point. So that'll be about $300 in profit if it does go up and stops it. I don't think it will, but I'm just going to be smart here. So I would like to end the day in profit. So again, if it stops us out at 17,467.25, then so be it. I don't see it happening, but anything can happen. So I just wanted to be mindful. Got about 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Like the way that it's pushing right now. Mm. Oh, goodness. Oh, this is annoying. And I know they want to go for that low too. Just trying to hold this trade. Don't hold under pressure. I did that last time. All right. So you got about 1 minute left here in this 5 minute candle, as well as this 15-minute candle. Nice push there. See if we can hold that and continue to close lower here and be out of this trade. Solid volume here in the last couple of seconds of this candle. At about 45 seconds. We'll love it to continue to push lower and then close below these lows right here on this 5 minute. Got about 30 seconds here. Okay, we do get a 5 minute bearish closure. We do break below these lows here on the 5. So this wick low here, we do break below that. So we're just looking for price to just continue down and then to stop us out of our trade or get us out of our trade. So let's see if we can get some more volume here. So we can take out these lows. We are hovering around this 17,400 level too. So just want to be mindful here. So as price is pushing down, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop a little bit more into profit. Move my stop a little bit more into profit. So we'll secure 40 points. If it decides not to and go back up, we'll secure about 40 points on the day with this particular trade, which will be somewhere between like, I think $400. So as you can see on this file, I do like this price action as we get this bearish price action down, right? This fake out, trap these buyers, continue to push down. This may be just a retest of this area that it broke under this low, get a rejection here, and then fall lower. The reason why I have these alerts still on, even though I'm at the computer, I may have to get up out of here in about the next let's say 15 minutes. No, the next 5 minutes, because I have to run down to a class. So I'll probably stop the video once the bell rings and then just giving a report maybe on one of my social media outlets. But yeah, so hoping to be out of the stream in the next 5 minutes. So I could just, close the stream down and be that, but I probably will have to close the stream down a little early today. But I'm glad I kept it running during my meeting that I had to run to. All right. Got about, I think I got 2 minutes. I think I can wait 2 minutes. Don't tell me they're going to give it to me at the buzzer. Don't tell me they're going to give it to me at the buzzer. Fadeaway jumper. Come on. Don't play with it. Come on. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Bro, I thought they was going to give it to me at the buzzy. What's that warning bell? Come on. I'm going to have to get up out of here. About 45 seconds left in this candle. Grab my keys. Got to run. Thirty seconds here. At the bell, baby. At the bell. I gotta get up out of here because I gotta go teach a class. But we got it and we out, baby. Yeah. Let's go. We out of here, baby. We are out.